how to make money every day. Hi friends! Today, I'm going to talk to you about 8 websites you can use completely for free to earn some extra income each month. Now, I'm not saying that you'll be able to make a full salary with these sites, but they can help you earn a little extra by doing things that are not very complicated. 1. Google Opinion Rewards. Let's start with the first site. It's called Google Opinion Rewards. This platform is owned by Google, so it's reliable and not a scam. It's an app developed by Google that rewards users for completing surveys. You won't earn huge amounts, like I said. You won't be making a full salary, but you can earn between 5 cents and 80 cents per survey. However, surveys aren't always available, and there's not an unlimited number. The surveys might ask about your preferences, logos you like, advertising interests, or even your travel plans. 2. Happy Scribe. Next is Happy Scribe. This site offers transcription and subtitle services. Basically, you'll help create transcripts and subtitles for videos and audio. They pay up to €0.90 per minute of transcription. Of course, with AI transcription tools, the need for human intervention has decreased somewhat. But there's still a need for people to review and correct errors. 3. Another site is Y Surveys, which also pays you to complete surveys. It's one of the most well-known platforms for this kind of task. The pay isn't huge, but if you've got free time and want to earn a few extra bucks, it can be a decent option. 4. Field Agent. This one is interesting. Field Agent doesn't pay for surveys, but rather for completing missions. For example, you might be asked to go to a store and check for the presence of certain products. Big brands like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson need to verify how their products are displayed in stores. You'll be paid to take a photo as proof. It's a cool concept and worth trying. 5. Try My UI. This site will pay you to test apps and websites. When companies develop new apps or websites, they need users to test them before launching. You'll be asked to test them and give feedback, what works, what doesn't, any bugs you find, etc. They pay around $10 per test, which usually takes about 20 minutes. 6. IntelliZoom or Userlytics, etc. Another similar site is IntelliZoom or others like it. Again, you test websites or apps and get paid. Tests often include recording your voice or screen as you describe your experience. They also pay around $10 per test. 7. TextBroker. TextBroker is a platform that pays users to write articles and content. On their website, they claim to deliver custom content to businesses and clients. With tools like ChatGPT, this may evolve soon, but right now, it still works. You can even use ChatGPT to help draft content and then edit it yourself, like I often suggest on this channel. If you enjoy writing, this could be a great fit for you. 6. Freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Malt. And finally, I can't end this video without mentioning freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and Malt. These platforms connect freelancers offering services with clients or businesses in need of those services. It's a bit different from the previous sites because here you can actually earn a full salary or even more. But you'll need to build skills, offer valuable services, and stand out from the competition. I've created a full tutorial on this channel about how to go from $0 to $2,000 per month by selling services on these platforms. If you haven't watched it, I recommend checking it out. I'll leave all the useful links in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps me a lot, and it only takes a second for you. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Take care and see you soon.